Question number 1 in chapter 4 is talking about what mass of sulfuric acid is needed to prepare 500 centimeter cube of 2 molar solution. Such type of questions depend on movement between the number of moles in two types of equations. Concentration is equal to number of moles over V, and the number of moles is equal to mass over molar mass. So if you can get the number of moles from this triangle, you can use it in this triangle to find the molar mass. How can we get N? N is equal to C multiplied by V. We have the C and we have the B, and then we can move this one to here. So remove the N and put mass over molar mass. This means that the mass over the molar mass, which is N, is equal to C multiplied by V. Which one you want? You need the mass, so mass is equal to mCV. So the concentration is 2 molar, which is 2 moles per decimeter cube, and the volume is equal to 500 centimeter cube. We can multiply it by 1 decimeter cube over 1000 centimeter cube to change it into decimeter cube, and then the molar mass is equal to 98 by calculation, 98 grams per moles. Now we can find the mass. This is equal to 98 grams. The second question has the same idea, but this time I want the molar mass. So we'll use the two triangles again. The triangle of the concentration is equal to number of moles over volume, and the triangle of the number of moles is equal to mass over molar mass. I want to find the molar mass. Molar mass is equal to mass over number of moles. And number of moles, this one I can remove it and put C over V over it. So molar mass is equal to M over N, and I can remove this one N and put C over V, C multiplied V, so CV. So if you want, the M is equal to mass over CV. The mass is 1.11 grams, and the concentration is 0.400 moles per decimeter cube. That's a molar. Remove the molar, this one M, and put moles per decimeter cube. Decimeter cube will come up to the numerator. And then to change this one into centimeter cube, the volume 25 multiplied by 1 over 1000 centimeter cube. So 1 decimeter cube by 1000 centimeter cube. Then divide this one all by the volume, which is equal to, this is the volume we found it. So now we need to find M by calculations, will come as 111 grams per mole. The third equation, what volume of, contains 3.65 grams of solute of HCl. So I have the N is equal to mass over molar mass. I have the mass, and that's 3.65, and I have the molar mass. I can calculate it, 35.5 chlorine, and 1 hydrogen is 1, so 36.5. So I can get the number of moles, and from that one I can get the volume, because concentration is equal to number of moles over volume. So volume is equal to number of moles over concentration, and number of moles is equal to mass over molar mass. So put the concentration here. So M over C, the 3.65 grams is the mass, and the molar mass is, we put this one already, 36.5 grams per moles, and I have the concentration, that's 2 moles per decimeter cube. So cancel the gram with grams, the moles with moles, and find 0.050 decimeter cube, which we can also get it in centimeter cube, that's 50 centimeter cube.